Characteristics. Its scientific name is Giraffes camelopardalis because initially researchers thought they were a combination of a camel and a leopard to effort their brands. They use them to camouflage themselves, which make them unique and more fierce. Giraffes also live between 15 to 18 years. Giraffes are characterized by being calm and sociable inside their community, and when they go out looking for food, they go in heads of six. In addition, these animals or mammals belong to the Archaeopteryx group. They are also recognized for being the highest animal in the world, and actually they are in danger of extinction.
Habitat and nutrition. These animals come from East Africa, especially from the Sahara Desert, so they are used to hot and dry places. Giraffes feed from trees like acacia or comifera, owing to the fact that they are herbivorous that because of their height, they can eat leaves from trees' canopies. Currently, giraffes only live in freedom in East Africa.
Math problems and use of tools. Based on studies about giraffes and internet pages, they do not have the ability to solve mathematical problems. Under the same reason, giraffes are unable to use tools.
Find their way back home. The main reason for the giraffe migration is the lack of vegetation. Right after the group has eaten all the vegetation of a specific area, they have to move to another place with more so they can eat. When female giraffes are getting ready to give birth, they join small groups of up to 15 other pregnant giraffes. The group sticks together throughout the whole migration process. The newborns stick to their mother, who, if it's needed, leave their babies with another member of the group to search for better sources of food, memorizing the place she left her baby so she can come back after a long trip. Recognizing faces. Giraffes are able to recognize faces due to their good vision that allow them to prevent attacks. They can also recognize colors like green, yellow, orange, and violet. Besides this, giraffes have developed a sharper smell and hearing to connect with their peers.
Communication. Most of their communication takes place on a non-verbal level. However, sometimes giraffes make low growls or whistles to indicate they are in danger. They can also use that whistle to reprimand their breeding and stay close, so that they are less likely to be an easy target for predators. The vocalization of giraffes become more frequent during the mating and breeding season, and the males can make a sound like the human caw. It's believed that they identify infrasound and are thus warned with the first warning signs of imminent danger, such as natural disasters. Even though they make sounds, scientists believe that giraffes communicate in shades lower than the human ear can hear.
We know that a dog says woof, a cow says moo, but tell me friends, what does the giraffe say? You don't know, do you? That's okay. Neither did pretty much everyone on Earth, but scientists finally figured it out. The giraffe says... Lovely, isn't it? Until recently, researchers thought giraffes were pretty much silent creatures, other than the occasional snort here and there. But scientists from the University of Vienna finally figured out that giraffes hum to each other at night. Dr. Angela Stoger and her team studied nearly 1,000 hours of sound recordings from 3 zoos in Europe, and they found that giraffes really do make noises. They're just usually too low for us to hear. Now that we know that giraffes do make sounds, the researchers want to figure out what those noises mean.
Conclusion. To summarize this presentation, we'd like to say that besides giraffes are unable to solve math problems or use some tools, these animals have developed a communication system that allows them to work as a community, protecting themselves from predators and helping each other with their needs, leading in a family structure. These behaviors indicate us that giraffes have an average intelligence because they got these social abilities, in which factors like memory are part of it. However, giraffes use more their instinct compared to other animals that have a higher level of intelligence.